Are you ready to supercharge your Node.js skills? I welcome you to NodeJS Projects Bootcamp Learn by Doing course, the ultimate project-based course that helps you master real-world development by building powerful APIs from scratch. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to sharpen your skills, this course is designed to take you from I get a theory to I can actually build this, all through hands-on projects. And here is my pro tip. Before you dive into AI-powered coding tools, get your fundamentals strong first. That is why in this course, we will not use any AI to generate code. Why? Because I want you to understand the why behind the code, not just the what. You will build exciting real-world Node.js projects step by step. So by the end of this course, you will feel confident coding without depending on copy-paste or black box tools. So if you're serious about becoming a true developer and building project that actually works, enroll now and let's build amazing things together. But before that, let's look at some of the projects that we are going to build. One is YouTube Clone API, Spotify Clone API, email-based OTP login project, email reminder, feedback collection with email notification, file analysis project, forgot password email system, JSON API server, Node.js payment integration project, and so much more. Part is that we are frequently adding new projects.